Here I have XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device without buttons combination, but the other way to take screenshot. Like usually, if you want to take screenshot, you just have to hold down power key and volume down at the same time for about a second like this, and that's how you can take screenshot. But there's also another method to do it, like in case if one of your buttons is broken or you just can't press them at this moment, you have this button screenshot at the upper bar here, and it works exactly the same way. You just tap this button and it takes screenshot. You can find your screenshot in gallery in the screenshots album here. And from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshot. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.